Easter egg hunts. Oh, they are eggs. Good morning, everyone. It's Justin and Celeste here, and it is Easter Sunday, and we are at the Contemporary Resort because we are going to Easter service here. Who knew that Disney had Easter service? Like, no. I didn't until Celeste told me. But yeah, so we found out they have Easter service. They have 2 Catholic service and 1 Presbyterian, and 1 Protestant service, and that's the one we are going to at 9:15. It is currently 8:30, and we are looking for the, it's very loud right now, Fantasia Ballroom, because, no, you're good, because that is where it's at. Yay! So they'll catch us there soon. Bye! Just ended and Celeste left. She has to go work right now, but funny story, we went into the first service, which started, it was like 8 o'clock, started at 8, and we went to it, and we walked in the middle of the service. It was a Catholic service, and we didn't know what we were doing, so everyone was standing, and then we thought the service was done. Joke's on us, it was not done. And so while we sat down and everyone was still standing still. Very embarrassing. It was fine though. Everything's fine. We ended up making it. We were early to our service. I got the little pamphlet thing and it was really good. If you're ever at Disney, definitely come to the Contemporary for an Easter service. There was worship, a little message, short and sweet. It was about an hour, which was nice. And now I am headed to Magic Kingdom. I'm walking there using the pathway. So, catch you at Magic, guys. Bye. Celeste had to go to work, so we are here though at Magic Kingdom, and we just met the bunny. We met Miss Bunny and the Easter Bunny. So cute. Actually, not Miss Bunny, Miss Easter Bunny, because Miss Bunny is from a different movie. Anyways, that's Thumper's girlfriend. Yeah, that's Thumper's girlfriend from Bambi. So we are here at Magic on Easter, and I'm so pumped and excited. We love Easter so much. He is risen. Yes, love the Lord. Love God, love Disney, all in one, what? And Easter, everything? Oh, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But anyways, we have, Haley's like, just stop talking. Yeah. Anyways, we have a fast pass to Winnie, oh, Big Thunder. I thought it was to Winnie the Pooh. No. We have a fast pass to Big Thunder right now, so let's get this thing going. We're about to go on the wildest ride on the wilderness. Okay, oh, and Starbucks first though. Though, the wildest. Can't wait. You're excited. You know the lyrics right now. You say M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. Move and shake it parade, guys. Good, good, good. All my fellas are ready. You chillin' out your life. Hey, everybody, it won't be late. It's getting started 'cause we just can't wait. You're excited, let me hear you say.
They must have some technical difficulties on this one. It'll come back out at 5:45 tonight, but technical difficulties made it not stop for them. Or not stop for them. They did the full show at 11.
was short-lived, as Haley literally just said. We're about to go on Haunted Mansion right now, though, so pumped, yes. Hello! We just ran into Clarissa, but we're about to go on Haunted Mansion. And
the best ride ever.
It is the best ride. We love Haunted Mansion. Haunted Mansion? Can I talk?
Haunted.
Haunted. Anyways, Haunted Mansion. And then we're gonna meet Bert and Mary Poppins and the Penguins later, and I'm so pumped for it because they're never here.
Wait, is that your friend?
No, that one's not her. We're gonna see if Erin's working too, hopefully. And then Festival of Fantasy was right afterwards. Ooh, it's very bright. I don't know how to change that. But, so we just finished watching the parades. Then I exited the park and I'm headed to work now. I work from 6 to 12 tonight, and so I'm headed to Animal Kingdom. Funny story, when I was heading to the bus lot, I read the sign wrong, so I went to Animal Kingdom Lodge bus. So the Animal Kingdom, and it was all the way on the other side, so I'm sweating because I'm heading on the right bus now. And it looks like bus line is V long, so we shall see how long it takes me to actually get to Animal Kingdom. Kingdom, and the Hakuna Matata dance party is going on right now. I'm about to meet Jiminy Cricket, but let's see the dance party.
It's going to show up here at our dance party. All right, everyone, speaking of party, let's get our dance on. Join us on the dance floor. We're facing towards Flame Tree Barbecue so we can see our Viva Sky dancers stationed all the way at the end of the dance floor. Eyes on them and you'll know what to do. Here's the dance. Here we go.
I know that your power's so protection.
Wait a minute.
All sweat, I show Warhawk's backside.
So guys, I went and I changed into my roommate's sweatshirt because I had to go exchange it because she got small, needed a medium, so I got her medium, and then I'm wearing it now because I wanted to put on my comfy clothes, aka my work clothes, because that outfit fell apart, my Easter outfit, sad day. But, hi friends, this is Matthew, one of my coworkers. We are at Creature Cart right now?
Yeah.
We are at Creature Cart right now, Siri Island. This lady's looking at me like I'm crazy. Okay, I'm just gonna stop. But anyways, I'm gonna go visit Jaime. Got some pictures of Matthew here, so yes, Matthew, aka, because he's always wearing the hat. Lovely. All right, bye guys. Yes. But yeah, so now I'm at the otter exhibit because they're so cute. I'm here again. This is like my second time. I was here yesterday as well. They're adorable. Here, let me show you. Hold on.
Oh, let's look in the water and see what's in there. They're coming down. They're coming down
The camera is very crappy and didn't really catch them go in the water, but they're so cute. Alrighty, so I'm gonna finish my sandwich and then I think I'm gonna head to work. I don't think I'll be able to go in early today because I am floor stock, but I think this concludes the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to keep catching up with my vlogs, make sure to like, subscribe, comment your favorite Easter activity, and yeah, happy Easter y'all, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.